Hi everyone, in today's video we'll discuss how you can qualify for NASP Nationals. Let's get started. NASP Nationals refers to the National Archery in the Schools program, a prestigious archery competition for students participating in NASP-sanctioned programs across the United States. This competition provides a platform to showcase your archery skills while promoting sportsmanship, teamwork, and individual growth. To qualify for NASP Nationals, you must meet several key requirements. Firstly, ensure you meet the enrollment criteria. You need to be enrolled in a participating NASP school or homeschool that is officially registered with NASP. This registration involves the school or homeschool affiliating with NASP and adhering to the program's standards, guidelines, and safety protocols. Additionally, you must attend NASP lessons and participate in events. Structured NASP archery lessons should be part of the curriculum at your NASP-affiliated school, integrated into physical education classes to ensure proper training and safety. Active participation in NASP-sanctioned local, state, and regional archery events is also essential, as these events serve as the pathway to the national tournaments. Meeting the grade requirements is another important criterion. You need to be in grades 4 to 12 to participate, though NASP grants exceptions for third graders based on maturity level and physical capabilities. This inclusivity ensures fair competition among students of diverse ages and abilities, fostering a safe and equitable environment that promotes equal opportunities. If you are homeschooled, you can still participate in NASP Nationals provided you receive NASP lessons while attending classes at a NASP-affiliated school. This ensures that you receive the same standardized training and instruction as students in a regular school setting, aligning with NASP's commitment to uniformity in skill development and safety protocols. That's how you can qualify for NASP Nationals. Thanks for watching, and until next time.